The Perlegear TV wall mount PGLF8 is designed to accommodate a wide range of television sizes, from 42 inches to 85 inches, making it a versatile choice for various setups. With its full motion capabilities, this mount allows you to tilt, swivel, and level your television, providing a comfortable viewing experience from any angle. Constructed from heavy-duty steel with dual articulating arms, the mount ensures sturdiness and can support televisions weighing up to 132 pounds. The space-saving design of the mount allows it to extend up to 16.6 inches and retract to 3 inches, offering both visibility and a sleek appearance when not in use. Installation is straightforward with the included instruction manual, mounting hardware, and drilling template, ensuring a hassle-free setup process. The mount is engineered for safety and durability, featuring security locks and anti-drop end caps, giving users peace of mind about their television's safety.